colloids and suspensions play a crucial role in food safety and technology. These mixtures can significantly affect the texture, stability, and safety of food products. Understanding these concepts is essential for anyone preparing for a career in food safety. A colloid is a mixture where tiny particles are dispersed in a continuous medium, while a suspension consists of larger particles that can settle over time, foams and gels, which maintain stability and uniformity in food. In contrast, suspensions require careful handling and agitation to remain mixed, as they can separate into layers when undisturbed. Here are 10 key points to help you grasp the differences between colloids and suspensions. For colloids, 1. The dispersed particles are not visible to the naked eye. 2. They do not settle upon standing. 3. Colloids exhibit the Tyndall effect, scattering light. 4. Common examples include mayonnaise and whipped cream. 5. They can be stabilized with emulsifiers or stabilizers. For suspensions, 1. The particles are visible and larger. 2. They will eventually settle if left undisturbed. 3. Regular mixing is required to maintain homogeneity. 4. Examples include salad dressing and muddy water. 5. Suspensions can often be filtered to separate the components. To reinforce your understanding, consider these 10 multiple choice questions. 1. What is a characteristic of colloids? A. They settle over time. B. They do not scatter light. C. They remain stable when mixed. Answer C. 2. Which is an example of a colloid? A. Oil and water mix. B. Whipped cream. C. Dirt and water. Answer B. 3. In a suspension, particles are typically A. Invisible. B. Large enough to settle. C. Uniformly distributed. Answer B. 4. What effect do colloids exhibit? A. Tyndall effect. B. Sedimentation. C. Filtration. Answer A. 5. Which mixture requires stirring to stay mixed? A. Colloid. B. Solution. C. Suspension. Answer C. Understanding these concepts is vital for ensuring food quality and safety. We encourage viewers to deepen their knowledge by following us on the Food Technology YouTube channel. Subscribe and leave your comments about what you'd like to learn next. With a clear comprehension of colloids and suspensions, you can better understand food safety measures and improve product quality in the industry. Keep learning and exploring the fascinating world of food science.